Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people in today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, world boss. Also, we want to talk about YouTuber, Sir P. And we want to talk about a TikToker we name One Kevin we always over fish stock. One Kevin we shake you out everything where people say about Vybz Kartel, him out here a defend it. The man out here a behave like defenders of the earth. The man out here a defend everybody we say something about Vybz Kartel. We don't know if him dey on the payroll, but the man a move like the pink Power Ranger. You know the pink Power Ranger when him Kimberly? I saw the man a behave. You know when time the pink Power Ranger call for your power, it's morphin time. Pterodactyl. You know the flying dinosaur there. I saw the youth out here. One Kevin a behave. The man a behave like in the Vybz Kartel football team. I play last man. The man a Vybz Kartel defender and a defend Vybz Kartel to the fullest, and at the same time, One Kevin a expose Vybz Kartel. Cause One Kevin and most of the Gaza fans them. The Gaza fans them were not so intelligent and educated. The one them were lack critical thinking. The one them where them IQ low. The one them where behave like sheep. Some of the Gaza degenerate them like One Kevin. At them we are go talking at the video. On one hand, he might defend Vybz Kartel, and the next hand, he might expose Vybz Kartel. The man a say Vybz Kartel runway from Jamaica because Vybz Kartel fear for him life. You remember when Sir P say Vybz Kartel run from Jamaica? You remember when Sir P say a whole heap of bad man, whole heap of 87 want see Vybz Kartel come a road? A whole heap of 87 want payback, reprisal. A whole heap of 87 want Vybz Kartel dopey. Sir P said Vybz Kartel run away from Jamaica. Only remember when Sir P said Vybz Kartel is safer in a prison, cause while Vybz Kartel in a prison, the police them, the soldier them, and the warder them are protect him. Remember when Sir P said Vybz Kartel safer behind bars because a whole heap of 87 gangsters and thugs want Vybz Kartel to come a road. Whole heap of family member want Vybz Kartel to come a road. Remember when Sir P said that? No One Kevin at the same time a defend Vybz Kartel and a expose that. So Vybz Kartel run away from Jamaica. One Kevin out here say whole heap of people bad mind Vybz Kartel because Vybz Kartel a make money, and Vybz Kartel a make money more than certain people whole family put together. The money where Vybz Kartel a make, a whole bunch of people not see it. And if Vybz Kartel never change him ways, a whole heap of artists, a whole heap of selector, man like Footer Hype them wouldn't have to run up and down. Footer Hype wouldn't have to take away himself if Vybz Kartel never change him ways. At the same time, Vybz Kartel have a song say God is the greatest and God is God. And One Kevin has a whole heap of people bad mind Vybz Kartel and hate Vybz Kartel. But because One Kevin no have a brain cell, he can't think for himself. And no grudge people grudge Vybz Kartel for money alone. But Vybz Kartel allegedly make whole heap of family member a ball. A whole heap of family member Vybz Kartel make a cry. And I remember back in the days when the police commissioner come out and say Vybz Kartel is responsible for make over 150 dopey, crazy dopey name called by Vybz Kartel name allegedly at that the police commissioner say. So look on it from the angle here. Say for example Vybz Kartel is guilty after 150 dopey there. That mean a crazy son out there ball, crazy mother, crazy father, crazy family member miss them loved one, crazy family member mourn for them loved one. So not because Vybz Kartel turn a new page, that no mean to say him dash way the old book. So him turn a new page, but him still in the old book. So at any given time, him can turn a next new page, and the next new page there can be badness. The next new page there no have to be good. And if you have a whole book with crazy page in a hit have badness and a crazy dopey, them page they make. On you can't expect a person there for just change. So yes, the person can allow certain things, but at any given time a chip can flip in a them head and them go back to exactly who they are. When me I grew up, seeing them tell me say leopard can't change them spot. My grandmother tell me say if you throw a powder pan blackbird and him look white, a still blackbird underneath. So at any given time, Vybz Kartel can switch. So we give him the benefit of the doubt, but not because Vybz Kartel move on. What about the victims? What about the alleged victims where them family member are hurt? What about the son where miss them father? What about the daughter where miss them father? What about the brother that miss them brother? What about the sister that miss them brother? What about the mothers, the fathers, the grandkids? Wanna get exactly where me I say. Them will lose them loved one. Wanna expect them to just turn a page so when certain kids is fatherless. Wanna expect a go happen. So enough time people hate Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel have a pass. And one Kevin out here as a Vybz Kartel turn a new page. That mean to say yeah, admit say at some point in time Vybz Kartel was a demon. At certain point in time, Vybz Kartel was a Dan. You expect we if you say Vybz Kartel change when Vybz Kartel come from prison, go up on the mic and say one Dan, a Tesha Miller, a badness to my show you there's a same way. Seeing and a crazy thing Vybz Kartel do out here in a music same way. Cause even when Gully and Gaza a war, a crazy thing used to go on with Gully and Gaza. Even footer hype them, they on the battlefield. Seeing Kartel even have a song say when you rush pan the Gully and shoot up the Gully, a Gully mother chuck in. Seeing a dirty man say in a song. So you can say, well, a life imitate art or art imitate life. But no things where Vybz Kartels say in a song them, it actually played out in a reality. Even when them say, yo, we chop up them fine. No, they can't find them body. But at the same time, one Kevin and enough of the Gaza fans them out here attack and I make it look like say back in the days a crazy selector Vybz Kartel used to beat. A crazy people round Vybz Kartel used to get beaten as well. Seeing the Gaza Hindu them, the black rhino them, black rhino say no man can beat him. Go beat your mama. Da Vinci them get beaten the same way. Him man even threaten Sean Storm and say anyhow we not get back him shoes by a morning. Sean Storm have to go tell him how in shoes go and man I go get dash way for the shoes them. We hear that in a voice note. So if people out here when I like the artists, or can't blame the people and because the artists have a track record when the crazy evilous things and a crazy things him saying in a song. The man said to we in body him now must know God. Seeing the man even say him at the highest father devil and this and that. The man say him at the highest level in a masonry, 33 degree. So you can't blame people if a whole bunch of people not like him. Not because him dash where him pass and him come now and saying turn a new page. That not mean to say everybody I go believe him and accept him. Seeing car people see him for who he is. And at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel get way off in case based upon technicalities. Based upon technicalities with jewelry and jewelry get paid off and all of that. One of the man tell one of the next jewelry say more give 500,000. When we check it, that jewelry they broke. So we more get 500,000. So at the end of the day, when Vybz Kartel go on party and certain song a play, if Vybz Kartel song no play, a crazy beating people get. Selector used to get beaten. For play Vybz Kartel artists of a bow a Vybz Kartel food. Popcorn them never bust till Vybz Kartel got prison. And when Vybz Kartel got prison, popcorn bust. Enough time me hear people say if Kartel did that road, certain artists would have bust because certain selector couldn't play them. Certain this jockey couldn't play them. When you got dance, if you play Movado, you used to get beaten. Remember a selector play bounty killer and man step to him and say you can't play no bounty killer. You know see the general over there so Kartel there. Crazy selector used to get beaten. That's why you see enough selector I say Gaza. That's why you see a whole bunch of selector run out and I say Gaza. Enough artists run out and I say Gaza. You have to kiss the ring. You have to bow to Vybz Kartel. A crazy artist used to get beaten. Sean Storm out here do song while Vybz Kartel rich have houses, Benz and everything. And Sean Storm did a struggle. Couldn't fix him mother eye. The man I say, all now me not get to fix my mother eye. Da Vinci boss as an artist. Kartel I take majority of the money. Allegedly. Remember I say, Da Vinci say, how me fi name Da Vinci? And my mother still poor. Popcorn them dead broke same way. And when Kartel go prison, Popcorn them boss and a run the place, sign with all Drake, start make some money and do big show and boss we gone. See, even Black Rhino have to take away himself. Allegedly, house get shoot up, all type of thing. Black Rhino have to run away and take away himself and go America. So crazy people, Vybz Kartel did out here a beat. And we see Vybz Kartel say this aside here, that aside there. We see when he say clans. We see when he say one other. Every Dan in the country, Vybz Kartel know them, mention them in a song. Nobody done them. And when Kartel call up them name in a certain song, I saw police running upon them. I saw police start pre them. So at the end of the day, I know like say because the man I make money, people hate him alone. The man do enough friggery out here, allegedly. Enough people the man make ball out here. Enough artists get beaten. Remember, say Gaza Kima, one of them get crazy lick same way. Turn idiot till him piss up. Enough of the artists them get beat up same way. Enough selector get beat up same way. Remember Sir P even come out one time and I talk about Scratchy B. Say how the man him out up cigarette in a Scratchy B face. So if back in the day, if you know say Gaza a problem, so Vybz Kartel wanted dancehall for himself. The man even this bounty killer wicked this way. Style bounty killer the wicked this way. Style Beanie Man same way. Him a busy signal no good. Him a Movado no good. Hide one ya we left alliance and take side with Vybz Kartel and style bounty killer turning back for bounty killer. Kartel end up style him same way. A whole heap of people in the music industry. And Vybz Kartel no good, but because Vybz Kartel is an artist where him lyrical, him bad, but at the same time, the man have badness link side of him. See, badness did it. So enough artists scared of him. Enough artists afraid of him. Even Massacre right now want stand up for himself. Want people to know say my goat. But him afraid of Vybz Kartel. The only artist out there right now stand up to Vybz Kartel and Movado back in the day. And now Alkaline. Alkaline now back down. But Vybz Kartel is a youth. You have to know where you do. Vybz Kartel grimy. And we see where that end up. We see where that lead to. 13 years behind the bars. So don't make it look like say Vybz Kartel go church every Sunday. Don't make it look like Vybz Kartel is an angel. Enough people Vybz Kartel make ball out here, so enough people are Waterford know, enough people on the ground know, but enough people will say Gaza, enough of the man them a hypocrite. Once you're rich, them not care if you're shaky, them not care if you're a fish, them not care how much people you hurt, them just want to know say you're rich. Plus enough of them not even rate Kartel, enough of them saying if you stand behind bars, but because him that road now and make money, enough of them dip on the bandwagon. Plus enough of them to no rate Gaza. Them no rate Kartel. But once them come out and say Gaza, Vybz Kartel, them know them all get support. Them know them are go get views. Enough bloggers out here so right now no rate Kartel. Them would have never said the truth or said nothing if you upset Vybz Kartel or the Gaza fan base because them want views. But true we not build with content round no man. We not build with channel round no man. No man now pay with bills. No man can't tell you what to do and what not to do. No boy can't bad we up. We do we own a thing. Plus at the end of the day, we spit facts and we spit the truth. Yes, we can bias, but we try to make the video them no bias, because at the end of the day, we are human. So we try to speak the truth as much as possible. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. Who when agree with me, go chuck off. I'm out.